Welcome to Enchanting Endeavors. Today we are trying out a royal twist Shahi Moong recipe. Start by soaking your desired amount of moong dal overnight. This gives a soft melt in mouth texture. Next, in a pressure cooker, add some water and the soaked moong dal. To infuse it with that rich aroma, drop in a few whole black peppers, 2 bay leaves, a couple of cloves, and cardamom pods. Sprinkle in a bit of salt and some jeera powder. Close the lid and let it cook for 2 whistles. Then switch off the stove. While the dal rests, let's prepare the tarka, the heart of our flavor. In a pan, heat some oil. Once hot, add cumin seeds, a pinch of hing for that earthy kick, 1 dried red chilli, 2 bay leaves, and a few cardamoms. Give it a gentle stir and let the spices sizzle and release their magic. Now slice 1 large onion thinly and add it to the sizzling spices. Give it a nice stir. We want the onions to soften and start turning golden. Next, grate in some fresh ginger for that warm, zesty punch and stir it in all together. Time to bring it all together. Add the cooked moong dal from the pressure cooker into the pan. If it looks too thick, feel free to add some water to get your desired consistency. Now add a pinch of garam masala and red chili powder and some turmeric too, just enough to warm up the flavors and add that royal touch. And now for the final flourish. Crumble in some Kasuri methi for that deep aromatic warmth and sprinkle in fresh coriander to brighten it all up. And finally, finish off with a swirl of fresh cream. It adds that rich velvety touch to our Shahi Moong. Give it one last gentle stir and turn off the heat. Your creamy, flavorful, aromatic Shahi Moong is ready to enchant your taste buds. Thank you for joining me on Enchanting Endeavors. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more soulful recipes and cozy kitchen moments.